Hey guys, what's up? It's just me enjoying Vlogust, vlogging every day in August, and standing out here in my backyard jungle garden. This is kind of fun, except today it's really hot and I'm like dripping sweat everywhere and it's disgusting. But other than that, I really love being out here exploring. I thought you'd like to come around, take a look. Seriously, this is the hardest game of Twister ever. Right foot, don't step on a watermelon. Left foot, don't step on a strawberry. That's pretty much what it is. The ends are getting crunchy, so I know this corn is ready to harvest soon. However, in here, they haven't died back yet. But I'm gonna check it, so I'm gonna just peel back a little bit so I can see the corn kernels, see how they're doing. They're not fully formed yet. This one, is that a little worm in there? Oh, I broke the tip off. Oops. It's not ready yet. I'm just gonna tuck it back in. Hope that it's okay. Give it a little bit more oil to keep the corn earworms out. Corn's not ready, but I think maybe some of the purple teepee beans are, and I think they're the magic beans that change color when you cook them. I feel like I'm swimming out here. It's pretty gross. Yuck. At least I wore my hair curly. The humidity kind of helps it. Eventually it'll frizz out to here, but it's not doing so bad. So far, so good. Let's pick some beans. Every night, it's the same thing with these turkeys. All right, guys, time for bed. Let's go. Come on, let's go to your own house. This is not your house. Let's go. Come on, go on. There you go. All right, Big Tom, you're next. All right, Butterball. All right, guys, let's go. Come on, ducks, let's go. Time for bed. I know. Let's go to your house. Come on. Let's go to your house. Come on. Can you guys see these dragonflies? They're everywhere. Where are they going? Way up higher. I don't know if you can see them. It's like migrating or mating season for dragonflies. I don't know where they all came from. They're just over like dozens of them. They're big. The other night one came out, I thought it was a bat. All right, guys, let's go. Come on, let's go. Time for bed. Your own house. Let's go. Come on. Big Tom, Turkey Lurkey, Butterball, and these we just call the ducks. Come on, guys, time for bed. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. There you go. Apparently the hot wire isn't very hot because they're just walking through it. They don't even care. There you go. Alright guys, go in the house. There you go. Go in the house. That's it. In the house. Good night, Turkey Lurkey. Good night, Big Tom. Good night, Butterball. Good night, Mr. and Mrs. Duck. See you in the morning. Enjoy the Turkey Taj Mahal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.